What translation essentially means is that you think in your native language, then translate that thought in English in your mind, and then finally speak. I've come across many English programs which encourage translation, especially for beginners. This video is for beginners who want to start speaking in English, and here I am going to tell you why you should not translate but learn in a natural way by thinking directly in English. Watch this video till the end because I'm also going to tell you about a powerful process which you can use to improve your English. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It inspires us to give you more videos like this. Some people think that in the beginning, I have to translate and then try to get better by translating faster. The faster I translate, the more fluent I'd become. Surprisingly, that's how many teachers also train their students. Translation, fast and quick. I have never met someone who constantly translates and is fluent in English. Obviously, when you speak, you don't have the time to translate, no matter how fast you do it. The problem here is that you want to learn English too quickly. Let me assure you that there is no shortcut. When you want to learn quickly, some people will offer to teach you English in just a few days' time. Once you take admission, you need to see fast and quick results, and they will teach you to translate. Now you can speak a few sentences and you feel somewhat satisfied because earlier you were not able to speak in English at all. This approach might be good for tourists who want to learn a few sentences before they go and visit a foreign country. But if you want to learn English for your career growth, or you just want to speak fluent English for any other reason, this approach is not going to work for you. It does more harm to your English than good. Your mind needs time to get used to a new language. Don't be in a hurry to start speaking fluently on day 1 or day 10 or any day for that matter. You have to be comfortable to a certain level before you start speaking. The time it takes could be different for everyone. You don't have to force your brain. The good news is that you can make your own plan to learn English. So let me share with you a quick and effective way to do it. If you follow this method correctly, the results are guaranteed. But to do this, you need to be consistent and you need to practice daily. To help you with this, I've made another video on how to create small habits to learn English. The link is in the description. It's important that you use the small habits. The things that you will require for this are one children's short story book in English and a smartphone. Step 1. Go through the first story in the book and note down all the words you don't know the meaning of. Or if you don't know the spelling or pronunciation of the word, note it down. You can use a phone or a computer or a notebook to note down the words. Step 2. Open the dictionary on your smartphone and write down the meanings of those words. The meanings can be in English or they can be in your own native language. Learn just 10 words and their meanings and spellings daily. Step 3. These days, you can also find the pronunciation of words in a dictionary on your smartphone.
Impact.
One by one, learn to pronounce all the words that you have written down. Step 4. Read the story daily. After finishing with the first story, you can move on to the second. A couple of things to keep in mind. First, don't aim for perfection. Even if you forget the meanings or spellings of a few words, it's all right. Keep moving forward. Second, as and when needed, take help from someone. If you do this, your English will keep improving automatically. Within a few months, you would see massive improvement in your English comprehension. Just try speaking English as you keep getting comfortable with it. In a few months, you can start adding more activities like watching programs or movies in English, listening to songs, podcasts, or even audiobooks. The more you will use English, the more quickly you will improve. If for any reason you're not able to follow this, we welcome you to join Impact for your personalized basic English training. It will make things much easier for you. Make sure to use small habits to learn English. I hope that you found this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.